Imagine a world where AI surpasses human intelligence, but at what cost? The imminent release of GPT-5, rumored to be 10 times more powerful than its predecessors, is sparking both excitement and concern among AI experts. As we dive into the unforeseen consequences of this powerful AI model, we'll explore the potential risks and dangers that could change the game forever. From job displacement to existential risks, the implications of GPT-5 are far-reaching and multifaceted. But what exactly does this mean for humanity, and how can we mitigate the risks associated with such a powerful AI model? Join us as we uncover the truth behind the world's most powerful AI model and explore the hidden dangers of GPT-5.
The GPT-5 model is expected to revolutionize various industries, from healthcare to finance, with its unparalleled capabilities. However, this also raises concerns about the potential consequences of relying on such a powerful AI model. One of the primary concerns is job displacement, as GPT-5 could potentially automate tasks that were previously performed by humans. This could lead to widespread unemployment and economic instability, forcing governments and industries to rethink their strategies and find new ways to adapt to the changing landscape.
But GPT-5 is not just a job displacement issue. It also raises existential risks that could threaten humanity's very existence. As we continue to develop more advanced AI models, we're essentially creating a new form of life that could potentially surpass human intelligence and become uncontrollable. This raises questions about accountability, governance, and the ethics of creating such powerful AI models. We need to have a comprehensive discussion about the potential risks and consequences of GPT-5 and develop strategies to mitigate them.
The future impact of GPT-5 is multifaceted and far-reaching, with potential consequences that could be both positive and negative. On the one hand, GPT-5 could revolutionize various industries and improve productivity, leading to increased economic growth and prosperity. On the other hand, it could lead to widespread job displacement, economic instability, and existential risks that threaten humanity's very existence. The key is to find a balance between harnessing the benefits of GPT-5 while mitigating its risks and ensuring that its development aligns with humanity's values and goals.
So what can we do to ensure that GPT-5 is developed responsibly and its potential is harnessed for the greater good? We need to establish clear guidelines and regulations for the development and deployment of AI models, including GPT-5. This could involve creating new laws and regulations, as well as establishing industry standards and best practices. We also need to invest in education and retraining programs to help workers adapt to the changing job market and acquire new skills. Ultimately, the future of GPT-5 and its potential impact on humanity are in our hands, and it's crucial that we make informed decisions that prioritize the greater good.
So, what's the takeaway from our discussion on the hidden dangers of GPT-5? It's clear that this powerful AI model has the potential to revolutionize various industries and improve productivity, but it also raises significant risks and concerns that need to be addressed. By understanding the potential consequences of GPT-5 and developing strategies to mitigate its risks, we can harness its benefits and ensure that its development aligns with humanity's values and goals. So, what do you think? Are you excited about the potential of GPT-5? Or do you share our concerns about its risks? Join the conversation and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content on AI and its implications for humanity. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.